What a lovely scent. So fragrant and delicate. Yeah, flower smells nice. Can you hold still? I want to take a selfie. Say, pokey cheese. Pokey cheese. Oh no, I think I'm gonna... Achoo! The flowers! I'm gonna call the fire department.
Not you again.
It won't happen again, sir, I promise. At least we still have selfies of the flowers. Hey, somebody sent us more fan art! Oh my gosh, more amazing art by Tartua! Damn! Man, I'm always really proud when my community makes amazing things because there's so much talent in the community. It's just not a lot of people know about it. It's so sad. In other news, I'm still getting rage bait videos, and they are getting wild. Apparently, according to these rage bait videos, there's an imaginary war going on with the furries and the humans. Woo. And we are betraying the humans by cosplaying fantasy characters that we made. And after they just started showing bad moments of furries, it was so stupid. If this isn't cult indoctrination, I don't know what is, because this is the craziest shit I've ever seen. So stupid. Lizard Man. Lizard Man. This is so good. It's very Ozempic. I love the shading and how the anatomy's working out. So good. 10 out of 10. Ozempic over Ozempic. Next image. Oh no, the Azor allegations. They're not true. Gaga. Azor. I do not pronounce Asgore as Azor, I promise. These allegations, not true. Next image. Damn. So good. I just love the line art. Damn. The cartoon style, that style is everything. I just love it. Thank you guys for watching. Those are the fan art of today. Okay, not today, but some time ago, but like it's almost, you know what I mean.